Hello, it's Ruby, and today I'm finally going to be doing a room tour for university. I've been meaning to do this since the very start of the year, and I'm literally starting to move out in like half an hour, and I realised I'd never filmed it. So this is the last time that my room is going to be exactly as it is. I will say, however, let's just point this out because you might see it in the background at some point. This is stuff that was in my wardrobe that I've packed up already. There is this lovely entranceway when you first walk in, and on this side I've got a Turner calendar, so it's just got a different Turner painting for every day, although it keeps on falling down, so it's perpetually January according to my calendar. And then on this side I've got a very full coat hanger. On here I've got some tote bags. This is the pumpkin productivity one. This is my Dawn Books bag, which I really like. I've also got my gown, so this is my academic gown. I just put it on to show you. I honestly didn't wear this as much as I anticipated wearing it, because at my college we don't have to wear it for second hall, like formal dinner, apart from Thursdays. And then down here, apart from my tote bag and my little like everyday rucksack, I've got this rather ugly cardboard box, but I've got some essentials in here. So I've just got like my glasses case, water bottle, Hay Festival one, which is a book festival in Wales, which is amazing. So then here, this is one of my favourite parts of my room, and honestly it ended up being the perfect setup. So of course I wanted to have a little tea setup because I do like tea, so all of this is tea. And then up here I've got this kettle, which I did buy especially because I mean, there is a kettle in the kitchen, but I drink a lot of tea and I didn't want to go to the kitchen every single time I wanted tea. So I justified buying this kettle, and honestly, the amount of joy it brought me made it totally worth it. And then I'll give you a quick rundown of the teas that I have here. Okay, so in here I've got green tea, then this is the candlelit library tea that I made with Bird and Blend. In this one I've got chocolate digestive, and then here I've got some matcha, so spiced pumpkin pie and banana matcha, again both from Bird and Blend. I've got some of these, this isn't tea, but I've got some like vitamin C immunity tablets because I was ill recently. I've got some hot chocolate too, salted caramel, rocky road and marzipan. Two of these were sent to me very kindly by Whittards, and in Michaelmas term I loved having a hot chocolate every single night before bed. I'm not doing that at the moment though because it's like slightly warmer and I don't really crave a hot chocolate. This is a really fancy Fortnum & Mason one. I like love the designs of this collection. Peppermint and ginger. And then I've got a load of Whittards teas, so that's English Rose. This one is Earl Grey. Some loose leaf coconut truffle. Along here, these are like more herbal teas. Oh, and down here I've also got my very cute teddy bear slippers. When I tell you it's hot in this room, I am not lying. Like, the fan has been on the whole time I've been in here, but I've turned it off obviously to film this, and I'm already sweating. On this side of this table, so I've got my spare glasses, I've got a jade roller. This is the reusable cup that I use to get my coffee every morning, so I've just got that there. Deodorant. And then this little tray has got loads of perfumes on, a room spray. This is the lipstick I use every day. It's the Generation G one in Cake. Oh, and then I've got this, which my friend Charlotte got me for my birthday. It's so cute. This is a mini The Winter's Tale. These were published in 1930 and they are gorgeous. I'm sorry as well, I literally just realised how gross my nails are. I went punting today for the first time. The lock fell in the water and fell right to the bottom and then got covered in mud. And I was cleaning it and like trying to get the key to fit. But I ended up getting mud all over my hands, and I thought I'd managed to get all of the mud out from under my nails, but apparently not, so I'm sorry, that's really gross. Then over here on the wall, this is a plot for the novel I'm working on that I've just put up on sticky notes. And then I've got my umbrella here, which is covered in autumn leaves. My hairbrush is on top of my suitcase. It's like this trunk suitcase from uni travel. I used it recently and then I just didn't put it back under my bed, so that's why it's there. And then down here I've got some kombuchas. Now we're gonna go onto my desk, which is always one of my favourite parts of my room. Well, definitely the part that I spend the most time. As I say, I've got a fan and they gave them to us because this building gets really hot. So on this side I've got all of these wires, and so in an effort, a very bad effort, let me tell you, to hide them, I've used this like folding postcard that I got from the Musée de l'Orangerie in Paris, where part of Monet's water lilies is stored. I absolutely love this. And I've also got this print of Jesus College, which is, it was originally done in 1675. Bust pen pot. I always get so many questions about this. This is from Anthropology. And then I've got two vases. So I did have some actual flowers in this one, but they just died. So unfortunately I can't show you those. It's so cute. Look at this. It's like a little book, but it's a vase, and it's The Secret Garden. And Jade very kindly got me this for my birthday. Honestly, the best present. Like, I am obsessed with it. And I've also got some fake flowers in this vase here. I also always keep water on my desk. I was literally just taking this down and I realised I didn't show you, so I'm going to show you now. So this Tempest poster above my desk is actually printed on the printing press at Oxford at the Bodleian Library. So it's by Richard, was our tutor for our printing workshop last in Michaelmas term, and they recreated the first folio of The Tempest for 400 Years of Shakespeare. So cool, and I'm so lucky to have this up on my wall. I've also got these two prints by my favourite artist, Elena Deschmack. I love her artwork. So I've got this one, and then this is the Royal Opera House. And then there is this postcard from Venice. So sad taking these down. And then here is my iMac. I didn't have it at all during my undergraduate. I only got it during like my year out from education, and I use it so much. Like, I'm so glad that I bought this. It's one of the best things I've ever bought. And then finally, just on the end of my desk, I've got this in its case. This is the mini timer, and it's like a Pomodoro timer, so you can just like set how many minutes you want to do it for. So let's say we wanted to do like 17 minutes, and then you click the button on the top and then it just counts it down for you. I've really enjoyed using that this year. That was, again, very kindly sent to me. My academic planner, of course, the one from Cosy Productivity. I've also got my journal, and I've got my musings notebook, which is where I write down creative writing, like poems, that kind of thing. Broadly in here I've got academic things and notebooks. In here I've got keyboards and electronics, and at the bottom I've got craft supplies and letter writing supplies. So then here is my little reading nook, and you can actually see the view from my window now because I'm moving out. Like, I'll already have moved out by the time that I share this video, so I'm fine sharing my view now. I can just sit here and read while looking out. A brief history of Oxford. This is a hot water bottle and eye mask. Over here I've got some, my friend Bella sent me this, that's a body cream. And then I've got some Crazy Aaron's Thinking Party, because I actually love Crazy Aaron's Thinking Party and I use this all the time. And then on this side I've got my book envelope, and I've got the very cute jelly cat carrot that my friend Holly got me for my birthday because I'm obsessed with carrots. So then here I've got my bedside table, and along here I've got stacks of books that wouldn't fit on my bookshelves. I won't go through all of those meticulously though, most of them are library books. Oh, also down here I've got my Emily Dickinson tote bag, and also this, which I kept dessert forks in when I first moved here. There's only one left in there, the rest are in the kitchen. But yeah, I've got that there too. So then in here I've got some postcards here. These are actually ones that I like printed. It's just a photo that I took in Yorkshire. I've got like loads of random things in here. My Kindle, this little book of like quotations about Oxford. And then in the bottom, these are supplements like iron, vitamin D, melatonin. And then in here I've got drawing pins, sellotape, random things that could come in useful. Of my whole room, I would say that this is my favourite part. This is my pin board, and I just love how I've decorated it, honestly. So this is the mood board in more detail. I've got this Titanic poster from the day that it sank. This is Blakeney and I in Exeter. This is the Sam Wanamaker Playhouse in London, which is my favourite theatre. I've just got some of my favourite paintings. There's Blakeney. It's my friend Umi is over there. Shakespeare, of course. I also love this one. And the Royal Opera House, which again I love. That's the Alice in Wonderland Ballet. That's Paulina from the Winter's Tale Ballet. Yeah, I really like it. I've got these antlers. I bought these for the May ball that I went to, and I've always wanted to buy antlers, so I was really excited to buy these. I got two cards. This one was for my mum saying good luck for my dissertation, and then this one was from Blakeney. How cute is this? It says, An exemplary vegetable for an exemplary friend. Tell me if you get the reference. I've also got this framed photograph of me and my sister. I've got this super cute mouse that my mum sent me. She said it could be my, what was it? It was like my mascot mouse for this year. Feather quill, fake candle. I've got a few fake candles. This is a photo of my parents when they were younger. I did a print workshop like as part of my course in Michaelmas term, and we typeset. I'm going to show you this. It's really fun. So we typeset a booklet. This was to kind of get us used to using an authentic early modern press. So we set all of these letters by hand, and then we compiled them and then we printed them using the printing press and compiled them into this book, and each one of us got to take one away. This was such a fun project to do and taught me so much, honestly, about early modern printing, print culture, and just how much work goes into printing an early modern text with an authentic printing press. What is this? I actually don't know what this is. Oh, and I got this little candlestick too, which has got... I actually got this when I was 16, one of the first times I visited Oxford. I don't know why that makes me really nostalgic now that I'm about to move out. So then on this side I've got 2 cards. This was my like good luck card for Oxford from Blakeney, and I bought this in the British Library at Christmas. I just thought it was so magical, really beautiful. Cute little like Scalico bottle. Okay, the question is whether you're going to be able to see this. Here are my books. I've bought so many books in Oxford this year because there are so many great bookshops. Here I've got my dissertation folder, which has got printouts of everything that I saw in archives. It's got my transcriptions. Got my Latin workbook, for example, Spencer's The Fairy Queen, Life in the English Country House, which is very good. I haven't finished The Goldfinch yet, but I started reading that in like February. This anthology of decadence literature, Demon Voices by Philip Pullman, which is my favourite thing he's written. I've got Harry Potter in Latin here. I love these so much. These are little Penguin Great Ideas, little books, Great Ideas, something like that, and they've got essays and like political philosophy, theology. I've got 3 of the mini English Library Classic editions. I love the mini ones actually, especially. This is actually a copy of the book that I wrote last year, which I got bound. Yeah, some more books here. Oh, I love this. This is like a mini Hamlet that I bought when I was in Stratford the other day. And then over here, this is a painting of Anne of Green Gables that Blakeney painted for me for my 20th birthday. That's from Scriptum. These are some like tea goodies, like sugar cube tongs and a tea strainer. I've got another little mouse. This little graduation mouse. I got this when I graduated from my undergrad, and I've also got a pumpkin and these cute little penguin books my mum's friend Joe sent me. And then here I've got Emily Dickinson's complete works. That's Christina Rossetti, Babel, of course. This is one of my favourite like academic books that I've read this year, Making Meaning by D.F. Mackenzie. Vile Bodies, my complete works of Milton. I've also got Dr. Faustus, which, oh my gosh, I am obsessed with. And then these are like university notebooks where I've got like notes. And then finally up here, this is a little like, these are little note cards. I actually found this in Oxfam. On one side it's like an old library catalogue card, and then you can write a note on the back. And I'm looking forward to using these in letter writing. And then this here is a facsimile of the first folio of Shakespeare. This is so cool. I got this for my birthday ahead of me coming to Oxford. I haven't used it that much though, to be honest, but I've read a few plays in this. And then this folder is all of my uni work. So I've got these books here. Case of Peter Pan by Jacqueline Rose is excellent. Grief's the Thing with Feathers by Max Porter. Complete shorter poems of Milton. Oh, The Life of a Tudor Gentlewoman, which I got from the library. This is excellent. And then finally here is my bed, which is really comfortable actually. I've got a pumpkin pillow here. My bedding is from Piglet in Bed, which is like this really lovely linen bedding. And then I've got my super cute octopus jelly cat, which I love. Honestly, like this is amazing. And I've also got my favourite soft toy from when I was a child. So I'm now going to show you my bathroom. This is such a lovely bathroom. Like, I can't believe that this is a university accommodation. I've got this shower cap which has peaches on it. Here I've got this little crate. My daily makeup in this very cute Ghost mug. I've also got my toothbrush here. So then inside, as you can see, there is so much storage space, like all of these shelves. Makeup and skincare. Here is other things like body care, I suppose, and eye care. And then up here is medication. This is the shower. It's so nice, honestly. It's such a good shower. And I just keep my essentials down here. I've used this since I was 16. And yes, that's everything in my bathroom. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry it took me so long to film this video, but I did finally do it, which I suppose is the most important thing. I'm also so hot and I actually need to start like packing up some more of my room before my dad gets here.